Well, hello everybody, Mike back here. I know in my last video I said I was not going to do a video on how to calibrate the drone because there are plenty of YouTube channels out there that can show you how to do that. In my last video, what I did is I replaced the gimbal on my Mavic Air 2 and I went to put it back together, and of course it needed calibration. So I went on to YouTube, actually to Joe Martin's channel. He has a great channel, fantastic tutorial, a complete step-by-step guide on how to do it. So that's exactly what I did. I went to the Python website, I downloaded the latest version, I downloaded Pi Serial, 7-zip, and of course all the DJI firmware tools. I unpacked them successfully into their own DJI folder on the C drive, just like good old Joe said. But I had a problem with when I ran them. So I did exactly what he told me to do. Well, told all of us to do. So as you can see, I am at the Windows System 32 prompt. And of course we want to get to the DJI. Okay, so we're going to go to the folder that I created, DJI folder, and there we are. So of course I took his suggestion and I copy and pasted all of the commands that I would need onto a notepad. So let's open them up. Okay, I put them here. And of course, the second command I just copied twice, but we're going to copy the first command. Okay, copying that. And of course, we want to turn our drone on. Okay, we want it to boot up correctly. There we go. Everything is working. We have the beep. Now let's plug it into the computer. Go ahead and plug in that wire. Fumbling around with my camera here, but plug that. And we hear the beep that it's connected. Okay, so for this is on my COM3, and the WM231 is the code for the Mavic Air 2. So we go ahead, I copied that already, so we'll go over and paste it in the command line, hit enter, and no, Python was not found. Run without arguments to install from the Microsoft Store, or disable this shortcut from settings, manage app execution aliases. So, did you guys get that? Of course you did, because you're watching this video. So I went to another website called Game Trick, and they will tell you to do this. Pretty much, you've seen this before. I'm not going to go through the whole thing because you've probably tried it. You're going to go to Edit, Systems Environment. You're going to go to Environment Variables. Okay, this is after you find the location of where your Python is located. It's usually in your C drive. And then you're going to copy that line. Again, the video shows you exactly how to do it. You're going to go to Edit. Oops, and we're going to go down, to Path. This is what it tells you to do. Edit. New, and then you're simply going to right click and paste the Python into your scripts there, and you're going to do the Python, and then you're going to do the same thing with scripts. As you can see, I already have it in here, so I'm not going to do it again. So I did that. As you can see, it's done. Okay, but of course, copy, paste, Enter. Still run without arguments, blah, 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 blah. So, is it working? Of course it's working. Let me get out of this. I'm going to open up a new command prompt here. Oops, see, I did it. I did a bad. You always have to open the command prompt as an administrator. It won't let you properly use the functions in there, or the commands, I'm sorry. But okay. This a little bigger. So do I have Python installed correctly? Well, after you do everything that they tell you on Game Trick, you just simply Python. And we'll just check out the version, -- version. Enter. So it's Python 3.11.1. So it is installed, it is working. I did everything that was supposed to be done, and it's still not working. So let me open a command prompt again. I'm going to show you guys how to fix this once and for all. All right. I'm just going to open this in the background. What you want to do, get back. All right. Go to the DJI folders so you know I'm in here. We're going to do, of course, copy, paste again, nothing. Of course, see, we get that error again after we just confirmed that Python is installed and it's correctly installed in the path. So what the hell are we going to do? Well, it's a simple trick. Again, Joe does a great job explaining it, and I would recommend his video. I'm going to put a link in the description, but it's on our end. It's in, I tried this with Windows 10 and Windows 11. It didn't work with any of them. I tried them on 2 computers. I uninstalled all the programs, reinstalled them, created new folders. None of that worked. It took me 2 days, but if we look at this last line, it says manage app execution aliases. Well, we're only concerned with the first run. Run without arguments to install from Microsoft Store, blah, blah, blah. So that's what we typed in, but this is the real culprit right there. So if we can go into the search and type in, I know the wire's in the way, execution aliases. Now, I already did that. So manage app execution aliases. You can type that in the search bar and that'll be fine. Click on it. Here's all your apps. They're all on. Okay? What you want to do is look for Python. Here we go. App installer Python. Turn that off. App installer. Turn that off. All right, let's get out of it. Now, let's try to run that script again. We're still on the DJI folder. We are going to copy that. We will paste it over here. Now let's hit enter, see what happens. Uh-oh. Okay, it moved. And there it is. The gimbal is now moving. And that is all we have to do to get that to work. So if you're having trouble with that error, again, simply go to Manage App Execution Aliases and make sure anything that has to do with Python is off. And that should work for you. I hope everybody has a wonderful day, and I hope that helps. Take care.